Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video I will show you how to customize lock screen widgets on this device. So let's lock your screen, and you want to wake it up, and on empty space you want to long press like this, and below the clock you will see Add Widgets button. Let's tap it, and you will see a list of available applications that support widgets, and let's tap on the application. Let's say that I want to add widget from clock application, and to add I will simply tap on the widget. Now let's enter some more. Okay, and now when I added my desired widgets, first of all, I can rearrange them. All I'm gonna do is touch and hold a widget like this, and then drag it to its new desired position, like this. Additionally, I can remove my widget by tapping a minus icon on the widget that you want to delete, like this. And to save changes, all you're gonna do is tap done button in the top right corner of your screen to apply your new screen, lock screen layout. So that's how it works. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.